Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Tesla Model X charge port. The most common way is through the vehicle's large touchscreen. Simply tap the charge port icon located on the display. This action will prompt the charge port door to smoothly open, ready for charging. You can also use the Tesla mobile application on your smartphone to achieve the same result, offering great convenience. Another simple method involves your Tesla key fob. When you are near your Model X, press and hold the rear trunk button on the key fob for about 1 to 2 seconds. This action sends a signal to the vehicle, causing the charge port door to open automatically. It is a very handy option when you are approaching your car with your hands full. You can also open the charge port directly using the charging cable itself. If your Model X is unlocked, simply press the button located on the top of the Tesla charging cable handle. This convenient feature works with both the wall connector and the mobile connector, making it effortless to begin charging as soon as you connect. Once you have finished charging, closing the charge port is straightforward. Simply push the charge port door gently until it clicks into place. You will feel it securely latch, indicating it is fully closed. Always ensure the door is completely shut before driving away to protect the port from debris and weather elements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.